Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can download free wallpapers and themes on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen touch and hold on a blank spot, then tap on wallpaper and style. In here, swipe up to go down and tap on explore more wallpapers. Now if you want to download wallpapers, you tap on the Wallpapers tab at the bottom. If you want to download themes, you tap on the Themes tab at the bottom. And in here, to look for the free themes or wallpapers, you tap on the free category up here. So tap on free, and from the free categories, you can now go and download any free themes. So here you can see there's quite a lot of them, and they're all free. And select a theme. Then tap on download button, and then this will allow you to download the free themes. Once it has completed the download, you can also choose to apply now, or you can apply it later on. So I'm going to apply that later on. I'm going to go back here, and now I'm going to tap on the Wallpapers tab. In here, you can again choose free, so tap on the free category. And here you'll be able to download free wallpapers. So just browse through, or you can use the search functions to look for the free wallpaper. And you can tap on this button to view larger icons or smaller icons in here. And then just tap on it. Then tap on download, and this will allow you to download the free wallpaper. And that's it. And once you have downloaded the themes and wallpapers, you can tap on My Stuff. And in here, you can see this is the wallpapers that you have downloaded. And themes, if you tap on themes, it will show all the themes that you have downloaded, as well as the default one. And that's it. If you want to apply the themes that you have downloaded, you can select on that, and then tap on the apply button. And that's it. So that is the theme there. And that's how you can download the free wallpapers and themes on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.